I've waited 5 hours in the heat to watch the Tour de France go by for 11 seconds. So I know how it works. And for the next Tour de France, I want to forget all of that. I want to pretend that I've never been, because there's a version of you watching this that is in this position, who's thinking about going for the very first time. And the best person to talk to is not me. It's you. Here's the thing, I can tell you what I've learnt, but every single person that has stood on the side of a French road has learnt the hard way. Something nobody told them. Something they only know because they got it wrong. And that's the stuff that is actually useful. So I'm going to ask a question that a first timer would ask. And I want you in the comments below to answer them like you would your best mate. Here is what I want to know. Where do you actually stand? Because it's not one decision, it is the whole day. Do you go to the start, where you can get close to the riders, but the race hasn't begun? The finish, for the sprint and the chaos? Some random town in the middle of nowhere, where it's just you and a few locals? Or up the mountain, where the racing is real, but you have to hang around for 6 hours before. And then you need to get off the mountain at the end. Get that last one wrong, and you could wait 6 hours to see the backside of the TV motor crew. How early is too early? When do you actually have to be there to get the best view? Because getting there is only half the battle, surviving it is the other half. And the big one that nobody talks about, how do you get out at the end of the day? Nobody talks about the 4 hours afterwards that you're trying to get away with 40,000 other people. I've got my answers to all of these, but this is not my video. Not really. Because the channel works best when I'm not lecturing you. It's us figuring it out together. The best tips I've ever put out come from you on videos like this. So that's the ask. If you've been, if you've stood there, waited, got it wrong, got it right, tell me. Tell the first timer. The one tip you wish somebody had told you before you went to your first Tour de France. Teach me, pretend I've never been, I'll take the best of them and make a second video credited to you.